This is the Leonardo Momento Zero Grande fountain pen. The pen comes in a large cardboard box. It has the Momento Zero logo on the top of the box sleeve. This sleeve slides off and there's a nice large box for the pen. It has a hinge style lid with the Leonardo logo on the underside of the box lid, and it has a warranty and use and care guide for the pen. Included with the pen is a bottle of Leonardo fountain pen ink. It's held in there pretty tightly, and it has a nice glass inkwell style bottle. And of course we have the Leonardo Momento Zero Grande fountain pen. The pen has a nice oversized barrel. It has silver colored trim with a nice roller here at the bottom of the clip, 3 rings at the bottom of the cap of the pen that is threaded and unscrews. There's also a ring here between the cap and where the barrel connects. On the barrel of the pen, it has been engraved with Leonardo Officina Italia and it had the number of the pen, and it has another ring at the bottom of the barrel. It is a cartridge converter style pen, so you unscrew the front section from the pen, and it has a nice large ink piston converter to fill, oversized converter to fill it with ink, and it has a stainless steel nib with the Leonardo logo and a black feed. The pen will also post. It is quite a good size pen. Doesn't necessarily need to post the pen or the cap on the pen, but you can do that. A great option. Leonardo is a great new brand from Italy. They make some great pens. Get your Leonardo Momento Zero Grande fountain pen at penchalet.com.